Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently in real life? Then your answer will be yes. And one more question, guys. Do you understand English but feel shy while speaking? So don't worry, guys. I will help you in this video to improve your English and speak fluently in real life. So, hello everyone. I am Meera and I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Guys, in this video I will tell you some sentences that you may use in daily life and day-to-day life, and this is not for home only. These sentences will be used in friend circle and at office and everywhere. So you can just watch the video till end. So let's start it. Morning conversation. Good morning. Very good morning. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. Wake up. It's time to get ready. Okay, I'm ready. I'm feeling very hungry. Go and get fresh. Yes, I'm feeling fresh now. At home. What are you cooking? I'm cooking curry and rice. Please give me a glass of water. Of course, take it. I am cleaning my room. Wow, it's a good habit. Where are you going? I'm going in the garden. Where have you kept my phone? This is on that table. With friends. How are you doing? I am doing well. What's up, guys? Nothing, just like that. Long time no see. Yes, I was out of city. Let's go somewhere. Yes, let's go for picnic. Guys, these were the sentences that you can use with your friends and at your home. But which sentences I am going to tell you, so just repeat after me and you just repeat these sentences daily to yourself. So, first one is I can speak English. I am improving myself day by day. I am confident now. I can speak English fluently and confidently. So guys, practice these sentences daily in the front of mirror and always speak to yourself that I will become a best English fluent speaker in the world. So guys, if you see any mistake in my video, then please comment this in comment box, because I am in the journey of learning new things in English and improving my communication skills in English. So please don't hesitate to speak that where I made mistake, because I also made mistakes and I also stuck somewhere, but I'm improving myself day by day. And on which topic you want the next video, so please comment. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.